Bold, garlicky, and packed with flavor. This Thai Basil Chicken or Pad Kra Pao brings authentic Thai street food right into your kitchen. I'm adding a citrusy twist with lemon basil, and best of all, it is quick, easy, under 30 minutes, perfect for weeknight cooking. Want to take it up a notch? Add a crispy fried egg on top for extra yum. Before we jump in, just a quick update. I'll be posting new videos every 2 weeks instead of weekly. Things are getting a bit busier behind the scene, so I'm slowing the pace to stay balanced. I might not be as active in comments or visiting your videos, but I am still here, still watching, and super grateful for your support. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious, fuss-free recipes and easy cooking tips from around the world. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients for the Thai Basil Chicken. First, we slice 4 hot peppers, or more if you like it spicy. Then we peel and slice 3/4 cup shallots. Then we chop 2 tablespoons garlic, or about 6 cloves. I'm chopping more over here for other menu. Dice 2 chicken breasts, or 500 grams, and grind using a food processor. Pick the leaves of the basils. The amount depends on your preference. Heat 5 to 6 tablespoons oil in a wok or pan. Add the shallots and garlic. Cook until they turn color slightly. Add the sliced chili. Cook briefly, then add the chicken. Spread the chicken and cook until it is no longer pink. Add the sugar, soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, golden mountain seasoning, and cook until the sauce is incorporated with the chicken. Measurements are in the description box. Add the basil and cook until the sauce is absorbed by the chicken. Add about 1/3 cup chicken broth to glaze the pan. Cook briefly, making sure the liquid is bubbling. Your Thai basil chicken is ready. If you like it drier, you can cook it longer. You can also serve with fried eggs. Thank you for watching, and I see you in 2 weeks.